We offer you a competitive advantage in terms of research and advisory given the amount of information and competition out there. You're competing against the larger players who have internal research and advisory desks actively supporting their clients. Finso will equip you with the same power using the latest technology. We have devised a simple method that involves fund selection methods, recommended funds, model portfolio recommendations from time to time, and advisory support and 2 other features that are currently work in progress. 1. Portfolio alerts for real-time information on your clients. 2. Portfolio review mechanisms for in-depth analysis of your client's portfolio. All these have been derived using our proprietary models using machine learning. We at Finso believe that knowledge is the key and hence have tied up with 2 leaders in this space. 1. NSE Knowledge Hub. 2. AAFM India. This will help you get certified as a financial planner and aid your continuous learning. This is free of cost along with a basic subscription. We offer you content on actionable insights and our recommendations under advisory support with recommendations and research papers. Recommendations on the latest investment opportunities. Equity mutual fund fact sheets. List of recommended equity funds. Finso's model portfolios. The Equity Mutual Fund Fact Sheet section provides data for more than 200 fund categories in a file with links to historical performance, point-to-point returns, rolling returns, worst drawdowns, risk ratios, quartile calendar year ranking, and more. Under the recommended equity funds and fact sheet, we provide information which are our recommended funds, their performance, and a more comprehensive fact sheet. You will have more details about the fund and insights on why we believe they will do well in future. We use algorithms essentially known as robo-advisory to find the best funds created from 20 years of historical data. The methodology used is mentioned at the bottom of the report, which tells you why a certain fund is better than the other, including the algorithms used, the fund manager's performance, their sector selection, whether we have been good at avoiding certain sectors, and picking the right stocks in the sector to arrive at a composite score. We have also created model portfolios for you for each level of risk under 5 categories: conservative, cautious, prudent, assertive, and aggressive. The method for the allocation framework is given here. We use robo-advisory and algorithms to create a very detailed method of arriving at a model portfolio in terms of allocation at an asset class level and which funds can be selected in each asset class. For each of them, we have quantified what the worst case could be in terms of their performance. Areas we are working on: providing market-related information which reduces your response and turnaround time, like a drop in the portfolio by more than 5% in a single day affected due to market volatility, or NAV movement, which signals it is probably time to sell that fund. And more importantly, lets the client rest assured because you are watching their portfolio closely in real time.